Hi everyone, so I'm gonna give you a craft corner tour. I actually have my space divided in two because I have to make more room in my room. So this is one side of the wall and then that's the other side. So I'm just gonna start with up here. Up there I have my journals that I have for sale. What I did was actually put a bookcase on top of the IKEA cube or bookshelf or whatever it is. So I have the journals, I put my Cricut in the center, my sewing machine, and that bookshelf was only like, I think, I want to say $15 or $20 brand new. And then in the IKEA shelf, I just have, these are paper collections in here. Mostly Maggie Holmes. I have downsized, and also I just don't paper craft like I used to, because I wanted to do more beading. But I have that one, and then this one is just like, I think it's more Maggie Holmes. Yeah, more Maggie Holmes. And then in here I just have ephemera in here. And this one has like dies and stuff like that. It's just in front of the other one. So here I just have like, this is all paper craft, like junk journal stuff. So that's what I put in there. If you want to see how everything is stored inside of it, let me know and I'll do a separate video. What's wrong, Red? Why are you over? What happened? Okay, so I have these drawers. This one has just like findings. I went through them, but I haven't separated them. For now, that's how that is in here. These are like jewelry stuff that I bought from Michael's that was on clearance. And it's just a bunch of charms and stuff in here. I just haven't had time to go through this stuff. And then this one has beads in it, and my BeadCraftbabe charms. I still have the Christmas Grinch beads if anybody's interested in them, or if anyone's interested in purchasing some of these. Come on, Red. Come on. Go this way. Come on. Come on. Good boy. And then I just have like some stuff that I had made in here. Some pens and like office stuff, office supply and washi. Some thickers, mostly thickers, and some stickers in here. Down here I just have the all, this is all Tim Holtz stuff in here. This is also some junk journal stuff that I had in here. But like, I keep a lot of the stamps in this little binder. And then this is just like random stuff. Thread, cords, baggies. It's just like a random for me to put stuff in there. I'm gonna go over what's on the table. So these are just like, I just have like pens and stuff for drawing, which these are for the polymer clay beads that I've been making. Just pens and different color highlighters and more pens up here. This is just like the little jars that I have bought. It's just, this is stuff that I've had for, like, collected for years. I had gloves in here. I have to put more in there. These are for the when I do polymer clay beads. And just some random stuff in here. Up here is just more charms and stuff that I need to put away. Same here. And then I have some memory dex cards in here. And these containers, these are actually from the Container Store. And I just have like all my beads in here. So these over here are like, I consider these to be like paper craft beads, or if I wanted to make something for a kid, because these are plastic, it's safer. So it's a little cutesy stuff, you know. These are empty because these are our Halloween ones, and they're over on the other desk that I'm going to show you next. Valentine's Day stuff, Christmas. These are just the backings of the little to make charms. This one has a mix. So I have seed beads in this one, which I think this whole row is seed beads. And then like here I have charms. This is for crosses or when I make rosaries. These are some flat back crystals that my brother and my nephews and my kids got for me for, I think it was Mother's Day. And then I had started, so this was supposed to be first, and then this one here, I just haven't switched them out, but because I had them by color and by gemstones and all that. So like I have white and cream gemstones here. So this whole row is gemstones. Pink, yellow. This one's not a gemstone. I don't think it is. I don't know why it's in there. Blue and purple jemmies. I don't have red and orange. Greens and grays and blacks. So yeah, that's why I separated those. So this is silver and metal findings, gold, bronze findings. And then I also separated by, you know, the little ceramic ones. 4th of July clear beads. Now this is where it starts to get into like glass beads. So yeah. And then it was supposed to be onto this one here, which, oh yeah, okay, so this is red and orange glass beads. The other one was red and orange gemstones that I don't have. But these are all glass beads. This one says traditional Halloween. And then I have the pink Halloween. Ocean beads. Puerto Rico beads. Can't forget about those. And then Down here I have this one is bows. This one here is rosettes. Some of them are from Ebony. I can't remember her tag, so I'm gonna put it in the, I'll link it below. Some super cute rosettes that I purchased from her. And then I have tassels in this one. Like, I don't know why I have so many, but I do. So yeah, these are different tassels. Next I'm gonna go over the drawers. They're not all labeled, but here I just have, like, I have to find a way to put my stuff all together because I like to separate everything, but I'm gonna have to, like, I have to condense everything in order for me to have room for it all. So this is for my nail stuff. In another video I told you guys that I do my own nails. I just don't always have time to do them, and it's cheaper for me to do them myself. This one is silver and gold findings. So I got these trays at Dollar Tree, and then I just kind of separated them. This is all like color gold, and then also like gold plated. I just got these, and then this is like stainless steel and silver plated over here. Not all of it, but most of it. I got a lot of charms in here, not all of them. And more charms back here. This is like a random ass drawer. I have some tools, paper craft stuff. This is for the stamps. And then this one down here is all like stamps and inks. So I got some stamps in here. These are for the stamps. And then this is like the Tim Holtz inks. Get it open with one hand. Yeah. So yeah. And I just have, like, these are the little 5x7 cases. I have bought these. I actually bought these in the big case that it comes in, and then I just used them in the drawers for my stamps. Best way for me to be organized with stamps. And then I have some more inks back here. These are up here. Here's the little drawers from Dollar Tree. Okay. And then on the other side, my computer. This first drawer has paper craft tools. It's a mess, but it's because I just like use it and then throw it back in here. This is just something I can't keep organized. For me, just as long as I have a drawer for it, it's fine. This one is tiger tail bar line and string for jewelry making. So this is for the string for jewelry. I have elastic also. This is not supposed to be in here, but I did make this the other day. I have chain, and then I also have leather and some regular string. And this is all tiger tail right here in this corner, or different color tiger tail wire. This one is bangles and wire, so it looks unorganized, but right now this is the best way I can put them in here. I just recently got these on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Not recent, but maybe in the last couple months. So here I just have all the wire bracelets and memory wire on this side. I have silver wire for wire wrapping, gold, more silver. I just got a real good deal on these. I ended up just getting a pack of them on Facebook. And then here I have different color wires. This one's like bronze, not bronze, copper. So that's how I keep my wire. This next one is my polymer clay stuff. So like, I just recently got this, and I say recent, but I mean like month or two maybe, not recent months. And then like just some other stuff for the beads. And then these are like the wire cutters. Down here, this is also a polymer clay drawer. So I have the polymer clay. This is like the air dry one. I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. This one is also air dry. And then I have like the polymer clay in these little containers. These are actually from a drawer that broke, so I just started using these as like to put them in. There's the other one back there. And then I just have some other stuff for polymer clays, for making beads, and the wood clay that I haven't used yet. Then on this side, it's just like tools, and this I have to fix. I didn't realize it was like that, but that's where I keep that stuff. And just some other paper items on there. So this is just one area of it. I will do another video on the other space that I have. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.